let's press Command 2 on the Mac, Control 2 on Windows to jump to a 200% zoom, and I want to introduce you to the eyedropper tool. Now we've made several changes to our character formatting in this example, and we might want to take some of these effects and copy them and use them in other locations in the document. So what we'll do is, taking our type tool, we'll select that letter W. And we'll come over here to the toolbar and choose our eyedropper tool. Now if you don't see the eyedropper tool, it might be hidden beneath the measure tool. Make sure you have the eyedropper tool selected. And again, make sure that that bit of text is active. And with that text selection, just single click. And you'll see that the cursor changes and it's actually picked up that bit of formatting. Now to apply that formatting to another location, all I have to do is click and drag and it uses that same formatting. I could do the same thing over here, kind of a silly example, but you get the idea. Now let me grab my text tool again, select one word here just by double clicking it, and I might want to change this from Minion Pro to Minion Bold. Now the ideal way to do this would be using styles, which we'll cover in a future lesson. But for now, we can take advantage of the eyedropper tool to select that little bit of text and go ahead and lay down that same formatting somewhere else. And you can see that subtle, bold change on these other words. Now, in case that's not working as you would expect, let's come back over to the eyedropper tool and double click the tool, and that will open up the eyedropper options. Now, it is possible to customize the way this tool works. For example, maybe you only want to sample fill settings such as color and tint and transparency. You can actually disable all of these other options. Now if you're trying to sample text attributes, you'd want to make sure character and paragraph settings are turned on. If for some reason it's not working as you'd expect, just double click the eyedropper, open up the options dialog box, and enable all the features that you're hoping to sample. When you're done, go ahead and click OK.